As you can see, the car is closed. So now I'm going to open the car. The blinker works. The same in the blinker, the opposite side. Okay. So now I'm going to switch on the engine. Look, switching on the engine, and now I'm going to test the blinker again. The first time is working, but the second one doesn't work. Look, the second time doesn't work, neither of them. However, I'm switching on the ignition again, switching off, sorry. Now I have to close the car again to get back to work the blinkers again. As you can see, now it works. And switching on the engine, only the first time. Second one doesn't work. Okay, the rest of the blinkers are working properly. This is the problem.